Let's make some vegan mozzarella using the Vreamery's cheesemaking kit. Start by pouring the packet into a blender, followed by 1.5 cups of unsweetened plant milk. I'm using cashew milk. Then blend for 1 minute on the lowest setting. Then grab a medium-sized saucepan and pour the mixture into the saucepan on low heat. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of refined coconut oil and mix until combined. Stir for 3 minutes and add any additional flavors you'd like. I added a squeeze of lemon juice. To make sure the cheese mixture is ready, add a spoonful to a plate, let it sit for about a minute. If it slides off the plate like this, then you know you're ready to go. Lastly, grab a glass, silicone, or heat-resistant container and put the cheese inside of it. You'll want to let it rest on the counter for about an hour before putting it into the fridge for a few more hours after that. There's no better way to enjoy vegan cheese than a classic charcuterie board. So go ahead and grab your Pulp Pantry chips, I'm using their classic sea salt flavor, and load your board up with seasonal fruit and veggies and stack the Vreamery's cheese on the board and enjoy.